Se ya ne ekọ weja gbawe baby a efre ho Mandela adehye a wonom etete wo eche se de ensuo ye fiti ase yi niti wo mo bebre papa esan se wo mo gates eya ensuo to a eyiri papa na se de esi yiri no se japade eti sa bre ye ensuo ye fiti ase no mo srese aban me ye bibi va onye sa de a ensuo yi to wo mo bebre
Mandela ewo wejagbawe mensini mu na adehye no ekira no musi afase no omudi abeni papa ewo ensuo nsa no esanse ensuo to ye mani yiri ebefa wo ma omajapade empempema koma eni nipa bipo efa mu ehwere mo enkwa na afiwe so mo pese bibesi bim to mankasa hyase eboabo mo ho ahwese ensuo no ema nenso ma ho boa no enso makwankro eno enti eno mudi fa UTV so ede ato abanyanim se wo meso mo asene na wonhwe na gata kese ne yenhwe nyema won na afenso die mu asisi na
overdue. Ya bre and flooding, perennial flooding for the past, let's say 7 years. Ever since I was digging this gutter, nothing has been done, no dredging. Nothing. Mankasa muhu said in suta a high. In Sionuto via na MPaba, no a better bucket, no a better 5 kilos of rice, key soap 1 cedi. That is not what we need. Solutions. We need solutions. And as you can see, we the residents has taken it upon ourselves to dredge that gutter with the help of the assembly. It must not take the residents to do this. The government has to do it. We don't see the reason why we should pay property rate. We are not going to pay until we see solutions. And this is a huge project. It should be like near Ewo Alajunu. And it is not us. They have to panel the gutter. And we don't have that money to do it.
I'm in Sony de higher for more than 20 years. You never will be a wasi. Say, yes, Rabbi, you say, yes, Ranupa, no one bush my sika in a high. And we say, Cataplan, I war in Cataplan, you say, one to me, Yejuman said, the Fata because you Catapla Cassia. Yes, Rabbi, you say, yes, Ranupa, Nadauma, one bush, the one who are mobile. Anya property in Kwana say we nippon pool. You show no better here. A beer free in the boy and Timmy that 3 days. This is our cotton baby. I need to high hotel and son of Marco down. Show wow fee. No what they walk out cotton baby 3 days and son of Wabo fee. A year.
Got a no a sieno and penning for Timuda. Obia in a knee. If you are empino and maha emeka sebia. A dear how cran a more and waboying. In Suanutra, obedience oka. Almost in Suanutra a normal. Ba ensu eto aye no ma na de ye hunu se etatafom a enwura obi dem ba ye nsu we de nya no ma ewurawura dem twe niema epia bonten enti ye sere se aban no mrem
every year fe nu wona lazy wo area mi kura e fite woni bi ni bi ne ba fite je blanket je local rice je king soap 1 de ba so wo ti bi an won ye government won ye wale government aba wawo koni wo got say ne echok ne eya na maji emi awo tugila una assembly ekwe na amemma motu kama ngota mi lewen du government ke abami sikaje na ka property rate le epe mo ba wa wa
yen Mandela ha bo bia Toronto area ho no bridge na be yifa deto la ho no nsuo no to a yifa da bia ye nema timi sai ye nema nyina sai nyese bia ye gota ni nyina sisi gota na ko ba bia oh, about for to sit down, because baby, a uniform was say, you be ye a uniform. Oh, I want to go to an uncle. Now, go to an man through the and if you have him, I had an idea be that. Just so by say, Yahoo, the pimp should be a assembly in my boy. Obama boy, dear, in fact, in sure way about talk at you, you need to be beside you. A becoming probably.